Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare ReiBoot channel.
Need to put your iPhone into recovery mode for troubleshooting, updating, or restoring iOS? Here's how to do it with ReiBoot. ReiBoot provides a free way to enter and exit recovery mode on iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices with just one click. The free download link is in the description. Here's how to use it. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Once connected, ReiBoot will automatically detect your device model and current iOS version. On the main interface, you'll see the Recovery Mode section, where you can choose either Enter or Exit Recovery Mode. Click Enter to continue.
ReiBoot will automatically place your device into recovery mode and is ready for troubleshooting, updating, or restoring. Your device will restart automatically. After the restart, the recovery mode screen will appear on your iPhone. This means your device has successfully entered recovery mode and is ready for troubleshooting, updating, or restoring. If you want to leave recovery mode later, click Exit Recovery Mode. As you can see, entering or exiting recovery mode with ReiBoot is quick and simple, with no complicated button combinations required. That's how to enter recovery mode in iOS 27 using ReiBoot. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.